let me quickly show you how you can make 120 pieces of donut with ease, either for a party get-together or for a special supply purpose. This method does not require any special equipment like cutter or mixer. It's a manual mixing method with simple ingredients and method of production. This is suitable for all beginners and professionals who would want to scale up their donut baking experience. And by the end of this production, all your donut baking ambiguities must have been settled. Please bake along with me as we move. Hello, it's Chinedu Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com. And we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. So this is 3000 grams of flour or 3 kg of flour. So depending on your unit of measurement, and we'll be doing this production in 2 batches because it's a manual production, and we'll be making in total 120 donuts. So this 3 kg will give us 60 donuts, after which we'll make the other remaining 60 donuts. Please don't mix everything at a go so you don't suffer the over-rising and oil soaking effect of donuts. So we're going to split it into 2 times with proper timing, as I'll be showing you here in the video. So here are other ingredients we'll be using for this production, and we'll be making a simple plain donut but nice and delicious. So over here is 2.5 cups of sugar, 5 tablespoons of yeast, full 2 tablespoons of salt, very important for this recipe, please use it, 4 eggs, and powdered vanilla flavor. This is 2 tablespoons. You can use more or less. Then our vegetable oil for frying. I'm actually using 2 liters for this job. I'm going to add my yeast into my flour. Then my salt goes in next. Sugar. My powdered vanilla flavor, you can use the liquid one if you prefer it. Then mix to combine properly. And once you are done with the mixing, break your egg into a bowl and whisk them to combine. So I'll go ahead and incorporate this into my flour mixture and mix again. So at this point, I will open the margarine and then add it into a pot and allow to melt. After melting, I will add some water into it. Just allow it to warm up a bit to about 40 degrees Celsius before I incorporate it into my flour mixture and then mix to combine appropriately. So your aim of mixing here is to achieve a hard dough consistency, not too hard but not watery at all. And when the dough becomes too sticky, you can sprinkle some flour just to ease it out. So I'll go ahead and transfer this into my board and then mix or hand knead. You can use your rolling pin at this juncture, or you can use your hand depending on the one that is more convenient for you. So the reason why I divided the dough into 2 equal parts is to enable me to knead each part thoroughly. That's my reason. So once you are done kneading, I will transfer into my container and then cover and allow to rise. It was risen for 50 minutes. I wanted to wait for an hour, but I couldn't wait. It has risen so much. So you can see it has risen very well. and then I'll transfer to my table and give it a quick knead, and then divide into 2 equal parts so I can be able to handle the hand kneading. So knead with the help of your rolling pin to remove any form of entrapped air. Please take your time and knead for about 5 minutes, and once you are done, then divide the dough just to downsize it to the level that we can handle. Because we are not using any form of cutter, our hand is our cutter for these donuts. Now it is time to cut and shape the donut, and to do that, grab the dough in between your index and thumb finger and cut. Yes, just like this. So this is actually a bigger size donut, so cut according to the size you want to make. So sprinkle some flour on the pan to avoid thickening of the donut, and please always ensure you have extra flour for working out process anytime you're making donuts. This will not only make your donut to come out fine and in shape, but it will also ease your working process. Leave it to rise for about 20 minutes before you start frying. I will mix the other 60 that will complete it 120 donuts. Now for this last 60, we're going to use a slightly different method but the same result. So when you check the two methods, know the one that is more convenient for you. So add some water once your margarine is successfully melted. Please don't allow our margarine to decolorize or loses its yellowish color, because it's gonna play a vital role in the look and organoleptic properties of our donuts. Then add my sugar and allow to dissolve. Add the rest of the ingredients. Yes, and mix to combine. So at this point, I'll add my liquid mix and then mix until a dough is formed. Then I'll transfer to my container and allow to rise. While the second batch is rising, let's come back to our first batch, perforate and start frying. I love doing this when the dough is ready to be fried, just like now, because there is this full round ball shape I usually get if I cut it at the edge of frying. So you can try it so you understand what I mean. Yeah. It's time to fry in a hot oil, and please ensure that your heat is at medium. And while frying, endeavor to turn it regularly in order to achieve a quality result. And look at these donuts. Look at the shape. Is in order. Who could believe that this donut was not cut with any cutter? We didn't use any cutter. We only use our manual hand, and it is looking so boom. My goodness, this is nice. Donut is weighty, it's heavy. No, you tell me. Assuming I don't know, just tell me in the comment section what is your opinion about the look and the shape of this donut. So now that I'm done frying the first batch, it is time to knead the second batch. Now this video is to guide you not just on how to make donuts, but how to manage a bulk production without having any issue. You understand? So let's go. So once you have successfully cut your dough, allow to rise, and the rest is now history. So I'll go ahead and perforate these donuts at the edge of frying and start frying them right away. While frying, endeavor to stick with the donuts and turn them intervally. I also added some slices of onion, as you can see, just for flavor. So scoop them once they are ready, and boom, we are done with our 120 donuts. Man, look at this. Thank you for watching. Visit us at salpesfoodblog.com. Follow us in all our social media handle at Salpes Kitchen. Until I come your way, see you. Bye.